નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn subject English, Standard 4th, Unit 1st, The World Around Us. The name of the chapter is The World Around Us. Do you know the meaning of world? Yes, दुनिया. वर्ल्ड मीन्स दुनिया. सो हमारे आस पास की दुनिया, द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस. लेट्स गो विद द एक्टिविटी 1. रीड दिस. The name of the activity 1 is The Fading Glory of the Earth. Now, do you know the meaning of the fading? Okay, let me explain you what is the meaning of the fading. Fading means to disappear slowly, यानी कि धीरे धीरे गायब होना. फेडिंग, धीरे धीरे गायब होना. डिसअपियर, डिसअपियर मीन्स गायब, एंड स्लोली दैट मीन्स धीरे धीरे. एंड ग्लोरी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ग्लोरी? ग्लोरी मीन्स ब्यूटी, ग्रेट ब्यूटी, महान सौंदर्य. Right? So, the meaning of this name is the fading glory of the earth is धीरे धीरे अर्थ की ब्यूटी गायब होना. The fading glory of the earth. Now let's see what is there in this paragraph. Let's start reading. Long, long ago, the earth was green and clean. Now students, while reading, I will explain you the each sentence. Now long, long ago means in past the earth was green with the greenery and cleanliness, right? At that time there were no packets, food packets, right? Garbages bags. So the earth is clean and green also, because at that time there were less buildings, less factories, all those things. So the earth is clean and green. It proudly carried and nurtured a number of trees. So I explained you, right? In past there were many few factories and industrial areas. So the earth is green with the number of trees. So the nature is green. But after some time, like the technology included the machineries, the factories, all those things. So, but after some time, someone invented machines to make life comfortable. Machines means, do you know, nowadays we wash clothes in washing machine. So it is invented by someone, right? So such machines were invented to make our life comfortable. Now let's take the example of washing machine. Nowadays, your mom also use washing machines to make life comfortable. That is, while doing other work, she can wash the clothes in the washing machine. So the machines were used and liked by many. Obviously, they are liked by many because it makes our life easy, right? At the same time, you can do many works with the help of the machines. However, we are now realize that the earth gets warmer and has less natural beauty. So do you feel a very warm in summers? The degree in the summer is 45 degree, right? But before there are less heat waves in the summers, but nowadays you feel a very warm and less nature beauty. There are few trees, so we cannot take a rest in the natural beauty like greeneries. The sun's rays reach the earth easily and damage her beauty, right? Because of loss of trees, the sun's rays reach easily in the earth, and also because of the pollution, the sun rays reaches directly in the earth and it damages her beauty. This has also lead to change in flora and fauna, right? So today toxic materials are found everywhere, right? If you see the vehicles, they the toxic materials are found, right? So these damages our environment. The pollutants are in the pursuit the air, water and land. So that is the pollution, right? हम अभी देखते हैं ना कि धुआं निकलता है, right? फैक्ट्रीज में से, व्हीकल्स में से. So that is the pollution creating on the earth, on the atmosphere. You can able to see the globe over here with a sick. यहाँ पे आपने देखा. So what this picture indicates, the earth is getting sick, यानी कि the earth is getting damaged. So in this paragraph, let me explain you in short that before a long years ago, pollution is very less, and that's why the greenery is more, the cleanliness is more. But because of the invention of the machines, right, the pollution is created in the atmosphere, the pollution increase in the atmosphere, and that's why the earth is getting warmer. Warmer means ये जो हमारी धरती है ना वो अपने हीट वेव्स ज़्यादा निकालती है, राइट? एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द लेस नेचुरल ब्यूटी, यानी कि ट्रीज, प्लांट्स आप अभी बहुत ही कम देखते होंगे, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ द स्कैरसिटी ऑफ द ट्रीज. स्कैरसिटी मीन्स अच्छत, कम होना, राइट? सो बिकॉज ऑफ द स्कैरसिटी ऑफ द ट्रीज, द बैलेंस ऑफ द एटमोसफियर इज बिकमिंग इम्बैलेंस, राइट? यानी कि जो बैलेंस होता है अर्थ में, एटमोसफियर में, वो बिगड़ता जाता है. एंड दैट्स वाई द सन्स रेज रीचेज द अर्थ ईजीली, यानी कि जो वो ओजोन लेयर होता है ना, वहाँ में डैमेज ज़्यादा हो गया है. एंड दैट्स वाई दे रीच द अर्थ ईजीली एंड डैमेजेस द ब्यूटी ऑफ द अर्थ. And that's why we suffer a lot because of this polluted environment, polluted land, polluted water. For all these things, the man is responsible, and that's why we are facing a lot the environmental problems. Okay, in our next session, we will see the temperature of the earth is increasing every year. Why? Because of the pollution, right? The amount of rainfall is getting less because of the pollution. Water is going to be more and more expensive in future because of the water pollution. And the increase in temperature kills many life forms. Many animals and birds are getting extinct. एक्सटिंक्ट यानी कि गायब हो जाना, राइट? अभी हम डायनासोर्स, वी कैन नॉट सी द डायनासोर्स राइट नाउ बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इन एक्सटिंक्ट, राइट? सो द एनिमल लाइफ, द बर्ड्स लाइफ, these all are getting extinct because of the pollution. Okay, so you have learned regarding the pollution of the earth and how the earth is facing all these things because of the pollution. Can I ask you some questions regarding this paragraph? Can you able to answer, guys? Okay, let me ask you the first question. It is true or false? Machine made life comfortable. Is it true that machine made life comfortable? Yes, it is true. My next question is true or false? Long ago there were no trees on the earth. Can you able to answer? I repeat my question. Long ago there were no trees on the earth. Very good, it is false because long ago there were many trees on the earth. Let's go with the filling the blanks. Long ago, the earth was dash and dash. You can able to answer this question. See over here. Long ago, the earth was dash and dash. So the answer is long ago, the earth was green and clean. My next blank is dash made life comfortable. Can you able to see over here? Find out the answer from here. Dash made life comfortable. Who made life comfortable? Can you able to answer from here? Read it. Okay, let me give you the answer. Machines made life comfortable. Right? Who made life comfortable? Machines. Okay. Thank you for joining us.